Hello students, welcome to our online lecture series. The next topic we are going to discuss is about DSS. What does DSS means? It is Decision Support System. After completion of the lecture, you will be able to learn the following objectives. Hope you can read from the slides. Without wasting time, let's jump into the topic. Let us start with the DSS, that is Decision Support System. Decision support system are the subset of computer based information system. Please pay attention guys. In our previous classes, we discussed about different information system softwares used at different levels. Decision support system is a systematic software used by the top management. For reference, please go through the old slides which you already discussed. Students, hope you remember this slide. At the operational level, we use transactional process system. For examples, point of sale terminals, payrolls, etc., whose output is input to the MIS, that is managerial information system, at tactical level. The tactical level, managers use MIS system whose output is input to the decision support system. Decision support system is used by the top management to make non-routine decisions like layoffs, launching a new products, etc. These are strategic decisions taken with the help of decision support system. In simple, decision support system is a system software tool used to analyze data for specific purpose and take decisions for a given situation. Let us discuss about the main differences between managerial information system and decision support system. In MIS, we can only use structured information for decision making. Hope you all know what is structured information. Structured means systematic way of information, because MIS take input which is processed already by transactional process system. But in decision support system, both semi and unstructured information is used. In MIS, periodic update of information are seen because decisions are taken or continuous in nature. For example, employees performance appraisal and his promotion decisions, like when he should be promoted, when a hike should be given to him, are taken with the help of managerial information system. Because these decisions need continuous reporting, MIS uses periodic and continuous reporting. Whereas in decision support system, a new report is made every time because decisions are made for a particular situation. The meaning of ad hoc is a new and independent report. MIS design are more rigid and specific. For example, human resource information system is focused only on employees but not on other factors like production, etc. But in decision support system, it is more flexible. And taken information and reports from all other fields. MIS does not get direct access of information from DSS, but decision support system gets direct access of information from MIS because the output of MIS acts as input to the decision support system. Now coming to the applications of decision support system. Decision support system is applied not only in business but also in other fields like medicine, disaster management, real estate, universities, etc. In medical field, it is called clinical decision support system, used in finding new vaccines to diseases, etc. Clinical decision support system is now used by the pharmaceutical companies for finding vaccines. For example, taking COVID-19. These decision support system, clinical decision support system, is used to find vaccine for COVID-19 virus, etc. Coming to the field of disaster management. In disaster management, decision support system is used to take crucial decisions like evacuating means transferring or shifting the people in a particular area which is vulnerable, okay, and avoiding damage to the life and property. Decision support system helps to analyze data from the weather reports and estimate the occurrence of cyclones and floods, etc., and helps to take decisions to evacuate that area which is vulnerable to the cyclones or floods. Next field is universities or colleges. Even decision support system used in universities and colleges to estimate student inflow and launching of new courses in the next academic year, etc. Hope you all understood the lecture. In the next coming classes, we are going to discuss about group decision support system and executive support system, etc. Thank you, students. Stay home and be safe.